to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another cooking video. So in the beginning of quarantine, I did a lot of cooking videos and I just thought I bored you guys with too many of those. So I stopped. But abhi वापस मुझे comments आने लग गए कि वापस share करो आपकी recipes. So I was like, okay, I'll do like a quick video again. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my dinner recipes. Yes, it's been 5 months and I'm still on dinner duty. So I've come up with a few recipes that are very yummy but very quick and easy to make. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. Before we get started, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram because we are having 30 days of giveaway on my Instagram. So follow me there and let's get started with today's video. Now recipe number 1 is a 3-ingredient soup. It's very healthy, very easy to make. If you literally have 10 minutes to make something like make a meal, go for this one. I will say this is not the tastiest out of the lot. It's okay, like it's not yummy, but it'll like fill you up and it's healthy. So the first ingredient is tomatoes, after which I'm going to add some chopped carrots, some chopped onions as well. You want to add all of this in a mixie and blend it well in order to create like a pulp. Next, in a pan, I'm going to take some oil. I use some olive oil, to which I'm going to add some chilies in, a little bit of haldi, turmeric, and then to this I'll add in the pulp. इसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स करना है for a couple of minutes and then add in some water, bring all of this to a boil, add some salt for taste, and then here you have your 3-ingredient soup. I like to serve this with the garlic bread. I'll link the recipe. I've showed it in a previous video in the description box below. Recipe number 2 is my classic tadke wala dahi chawal. I don't know why it's taken me this long to share the recipe with you guys because this was actually one of the first things that I learned how to make and kind of nailed it also. This was way before quarantine, by the way. So every time my cousin and I would meet, we would always make this dish together and we loved it. It's really good. Definitely try this one out. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of oil. After maybe say 30 seconds, I'll add in some jeera. Some nahi bahut zyada jeera because I really like the taste and the flavor that jeera gives. Uske baad I'm going to add some chilies and kadhi patta. Depending on how spicy you want your rice to be, increase or decrease the number of chilies. Approximately I like to use 4 chilies for 3 people. Uske baad I'm going to add some urad dal. I think that's what it's called. I'm 90% sure that's what it is. So I'll add that in to like really add that South Indian touch. Let this simmer for a minute and then I'm going to add in my cooked rice. So separately मैंने rice को cook कर दिया था with a little bit of salt in it and that's what I'm going to add in. Mix it all together for again around a minute, after which I'll switch off the gas. Switching off the gas is very important because आप अब दही डालोगे and you don't want the dahi to separate and like it to release water. So switch off the gas and after which add in the dahi. Mix it all together really well and then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Mix it again and that's it. Your rice is ready. I've garnished it with a little bit of coriander and it's so yummy and so fulfilling. Now the next recipe is a soup again. If you feel like soups aren't heavy enough for you, like you don't feel full after having just like a bowl of soup, maybe try this one out because it's a pasta soup. It almost tastes cheesy even though you don't add cheese. It's this beautiful creamy vegetable pasta soup. This is how I make it. The first thing that I'm going to add to this kadai is some oil. After which I'm going to add a little bit of butter. If you want this to be like super rich, add more butter. I was trying to make it a little bit more healthy, so thoda kam butter dala. Uske baad I'm going to add in the onions, finely chopped onions, carrots, bell peppers. So aaj I only had the red bell peppers. Otherwise I like to add the yellow ones and also capsicum. And after which I'm going to add some corn because I like to add corn to everything. Mix it all together. Let this simmer for a minute approximately. And then I'm going to add in some black pepper powder. And finally, I'm going to add in some milk and fresh cream. If you have fresh cream, you can add it in. If you don't have it, that's fine as well. But fresh cream se sirf thoda thick flavor aata hai. Rather thick consistency aati hai. And then I'm going to add in the pasta which I cooked separately. So the cooked pasta, I'm going to add add it in, mix it all together, let this simmer for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes approximately, and it's ready to be served. I also actually ended up adding some peas, which I forgot to show you, but this is what my creamy vegetable pasta soup looks like. Okay, I have one more soup. This is the last one, I promise. I love soups, by the way. It's this very yummy lemon coriander soup. It tastes exactly like a hotel wala lemon coriander soup, at least in my opinion, and it's great for especially now because it's really rich in vitamin C. So definitely try this one out. It's one of the best in my opinion. So starting off with some oil, I just use some regular oil, to which I'm gonna add in some chopped garlic, chopped chilies, finely chopped chilies, onions, cabbage, carrots. Honestly, you can add whatever vegetable you have available in your fridge. Next, I'm adding in some corn, which I separately boiled. So I'm also adding in the water in which I boiled it. And then, of course, we're adding the main key ingredient, finely chopped coriander, mixing it all together really well. And here I'm gonna add in my secret ingredient, which is our regular green chutney, jo pudina or coriander ki chutney hoti hai, wahi. The reason why it looks so weird is because it was frozen and I just removed it from the freezer. I'm gonna add that in. I feel like that gives so much of flavor and it just tastes so yummy because of that chutney. I'm gonna add in a little bit of salt and of course lemon, and this is what the final product looks like. So I have one more pasta recipe for you guys. It's actually very straightforward and very easy, but मैंने Instagram पे एक picture डाला and a lot of you guys wanted me to share the recipe. So here it is. This is my cheesy pasta macaroni recipe. So the first thing that I'm gonna add in is some butter. Again, you can add lots and lots of butter according to your preference. I personally was trying to go the healthy route, so thoda hi butter डाला. उसके बाद I'm gonna add in the veggies. Now honestly, you could add anything that you like, but I stuck to some bell peppers and some broccoli, to which I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning or oregano. Mix it all together really well, and then I'm gonna add in my cheese. You can add just like regular Amul cheese. मेरा खत्म हो गया था, इसके लिए मैंने sliced cheese डाल दिया. Anything honestly works. And then a splash of milk. You don't want to add too much milk in the first go and make it super watery. That's a mistake that I'm guilty of making a lot. But now I'm careful with it. So I just added very little, like maybe 2 tablespoons of milk. उसके बाद I'm adding in my pasta or macaroni that I boiled separately, mixing it together really well and letting it simmer for about a minute. And this is what the final product looks like. Very simple and straightforward, but so yummy. And the last dish is the one that I make the most often. So every time we have soup, I'll make this as like a side dish so that it's like a wholesome meal. Basically, my dadi used to make this when we were really little. Aloo chaat suna hi hoga sabne, aloo chaat kya hota hai. So my dadi would make like an elaborate aloo chaat meal. This is like a very lower version of that. I do the bare minimum. It's very easy. You could make this in like 15 minutes. I personally take like half an hour to make it because I like it to be very crispy. You don't have to do much actually isme. There's not a lot of work, back end work. It's just that it takes longer to cook. That's all. So yeah, this is how I make my potato veggies, I guess. Step 1 is to chop the potatoes. The beautiful thing about this recipe is that there isn't a lot of mehnat involved. As you can see, मैंने छिलका भी नहीं निकाला potatoes का. Just chop them in like a medium-ish size. ज़्यादा भी thin मत करना, ज़्यादा भी बड़ा मत करना. And then add it to a tapela with some water in it and some salt and let this boil for around 10 minutes. Don't forget to check on it beech mein just to make sure you don't overcook it or undercook it. Next, in a pan, I'm gonna take maybe say 1 teaspoon of oil. Actually, no, 1 tablespoon of oil max. And then I'm gonna add in the potatoes and mix it together really well and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you wanna come in and check on them. Just flip the potatoes to make sure that they cook from all the sides. And then let them sit for maybe say 5 more minutes. Personally, I like to let them sit overall for 20 minutes because मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा crispy potatoes पसंद है in the end. And then I'm adding in some salt and red chili powder. Oh my god, add it in. It adds so much of flavor and it's so yummy. I'm gonna make it right now after I'm done editing this video. But this is what the final product looks like. Definitely try this recipe out. It's so simple but so yummy. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Let's talk about today's giveaway, shall we? So these are the products for today's giveaway. If you want to know more about these products, check out the description box below. In order to win these, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow Simba Lifestyle on its Instagram, follow me on my Instagram, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!